What is going on, guys? It's Noah here with Custom RC Mods. Welcome back to a new video. In today's episode, we are going to be comparing two servo packages right here that you can get off Amazon for pretty cheap. They're both actually pretty much the same thing as advertised, but we're going to see, are they going to stand up to what they say they are? Because I found that sometimes they don't. So yeah, over here is my standard. These are the servos I use on pretty much every single build. They're the Miuzei Micro Servos, 9 grams, pretty standard. They're just like the Tower Pro SG90s that are so popular in this hobby, basically industry standard right here. And I really like these servos. Excellent bargain price of $18 for 10. That's about $1.80 per servo, and that is a steal compared to a lot of 9-gram servos these days. So I went ahead and bought 10 of these. This is 8 right here in my hands, but the other 2 are up there in the Mighty Mini Vector, and yes, they do work. And these all I have tested, and they work flawlessly. Most of the time when I buy a servo package like the Miuzei package right here, I get about 8 or 9 that work perfectly, and then there's 1 or 2 that either have a gear failure or an electrical failure on the inside, which is totally fine. That just kind of raises up the price of these servos up to like $1.90 or $2 a pop, rather than that $1.80, but it's still an excellent deal for 8 or 9 servos for $18. Now, I was recently browsing through Amazon and I came across this deal right here. This is the Wingoneer 10 pieces SG90 servos, and I'm looking right through the package here. I actually haven't even opened these up. And these are actually labeled Tower Pro Micro Servos SG90. And that is really cool. This might even, by chance, be the exact Tower Pro servos that are reliable and usable in this industry. And the best part about this deal is that it was only $12. So that's a $6 savings over these servos, making these servos $1.20 a piece for 10. So what we're going to do now is I've got a battery here and a servo tester, and we're going to see, do these servos actually work? Are they 10 for 10, or are they just duds? Do they work? We're going to find that out right now. So I'm going to go ahead, speed you guys up, throw you guys over to this camera over here, and we're going to check if all these servos work. So again, the Miuzei servos are 10 for 10 over here. We're going to see if the Wingoneer SG90 offering that is the exact same deal for $6 less works just as well. Alright, so we've got all of these servos unboxed here, and you can see that each one comes with its own little bag with 3 different arms and 3 screws, 1 that screws onto the horn and 2 that can screw onto the arms. And that is the exact same offering that comes with these servos from Miuzei over there. So yeah, we got 10 servos here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's 10 servos. Let's go ahead and plug in my servo tester, and we're going to have these on the auto mode and see if they rotate back and forth properly. I've also got a separate servo horn right here that we're going to test on each one. Alright, and that is 10 for 10 working servos from the Wingoneer package right here. These could possibly be, like I said, genuine Tower Pro servos, although I doubt it. They probably are knockoffs, let's just face that. But 10 SG90 servos from Wingoneer, 10 servos for $12. I really like that deal. Of course, comes with all the accessories that the Miuzei servos came with, so I'm really happy with this purchase at the moment. Of course, we're going to mount these in some airplanes over the coming days and weeks, and I will give you guys some updates if necessary on how these servos hold up. But for the most part, I'm pretty confident that we will have some good results from these servos. I'm really happy that they actually have a good offering that seems to be somewhat name brand quality, and then it's only $12, which $18 is still quite the steal for these servos over here. And in terms of comparing one of these to one of the Wingoneer servos, you can see that they're pretty much identical. I think their sticker placement is on opposite sides. That doesn't really matter, of course, but the sticker size is a little bit different. Of course, there's different branding on them, but it's a really, really interesting similarity between these servos. Servo lead is the same length. Looks like the Miuzei has a higher gauge wire slightly compared to these Tower Pros, but that obviously doesn't really matter. Just make sure that you're not tugging on these when you're putting them in the planes. But other than that, they look pretty much identical, and I'm really, really happy that we can get fully functional servos from both Wingoneer and Miuzei. That's 20 servos that I have at my disposal to build some planes. So if you guys have any ideas what I should do with all these servos, please go ahead, let me know down in the comments below. Obviously, I have a lot of time to think about it and build a bunch of planes. But yeah, that's pretty much it, all I have for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you guys found this content interesting. If you guys are interested in either purchasing the Miuzei or the Wingoneer servos, I'll have the links to them on Amazon down below. They are both Prime eligible, and I'm really happy with these purchases. So thank you guys again so much for watching. Please go ahead, like and subscribe this video to my channel for more content daily, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.